Hey, welcome back to BoneDry Bonsai. I'm Joel. I had a couple hours today and felt like doing something different with my Birds Nest Spruce. So I did. Check it out. All right, I swear this is a Birds Nest Spruce. I've got myself second guessing a bunch of my trees right now. Well, not a bunch, but I think some of the videos that I've even put out, I don't know, I may have been talking out my ass on that Mugo Pine video. And the more I got to looking at this one after I did that spruce video, I was looking at those two and I thought, I don't know, they may be some kind of juniper too. You go to the nursery, you see a lot of juniper that look like this, but I did find a tag, and it's Birds Nest Spruce. Evergreen, needle-leaved, fine dark green foliage, flat spread. So I'm gonna go with Birds Nest Spruce on this until I'm told otherwise. I'm gonna assume that I'm good to do this work because I'm just getting ready to explode with growth. So I should still be energy positive before the trees put all of that stored energy into this new growth. I do kind of like the tree from here. Maybe a little bit different angle when I go to repot it. I was thinking pretty drastic at first, like going really like whoa, but I don't know. After looking at it through the camera lens, something soft like that, but I do want to compress it. I want to take this and pull it down to this. Here, I want to get some, I just want to get some real kind of movement to this while it's young. It's because, you know, this isn't a grow upright into the out kind of tree. That's not what you're looking for in a tree like this. That's not what I'm looking for in a tree like this. I wanna have something that is gonna be interesting to look at. And somebody's either gonna love it or hate it, but they're gonna want to stop and look at it. And it holds some interest, you know. I'm gonna go around here. I'm gonna go down to there, around that. I'm gonna try that and see what it looks like after I get it down. I'm gonna give myself a little bit of protection. And I'm gonna try over the top instead of around the bottom. I'm gonna go over. See what that does for my angle. So yeah, maybe something like that. I think I like that movement there, though. I think that's gonna be a good start. So, little pad in here between the wire and the trunk. I don't want to just come in here and hack right out the gate. I want to try and get just cut for where I need to put wire, and then try and use every piece I can that I want. I want my first move on this to be up. So I'm just reducing these, I don't know what to call them, if they're fronds or if they're, just branches. I just want to see if I can get space for everything before I just completely take it off. See, I've got a lot of places where I've got two coming out really close together off of the secondary or the primary branch. So I want to decide which to keep. I want to get, everybody always talks about getting it in tight, getting their branching in tighter, getting the branching in tighter. And so when you get the branching in tighter like this, you don't want to just go in there and start taking it off. But at the same time, you have to balance between where are you in the tree's life. Are you in development? Are you trying to refine it? This tree's not anywhere near refinement, but I don't want to lose a bunch of ramification. Taking these little branches off of here that just have, they don't have any new buds or any growth at all. I must have pruned them previously, maybe probably at the wrong time. I don't know, I'll play with the angle. I'm not gonna wire out each one of these little tiny branches yet. I'm gonna go ahead and let them grow, let them get stronger. I left this guy, I know it's kind of vertical, but I'm thinking that maybe when it gets stronger, I'll be able to wire it and get it into place better. Now, I left this little tiny branch here also, thinking I might be able to later use it in the design. When this does set and I can take this guy wire off of here, I'll be cleaning this up. I wish I'd have left that on now earlier for maybe some gin. But those are my decisions, and that's what I did. Yeah, I think something like that for the front right now. Maybe there. Yeah, I don't know. I probably could have gone a little harder, getting in there really tight and choosing buds, but I want to see how it grows. I'm going to see what it does, so I'll show you a view from the top. I kind of like it. I think it's really vibrant, pretty tree. So thanks very much for watching. Take care.